Have you ever wondered what powers your favorite games? Like PUBG, Call of Duty, or GTA? What makes them run so smooth and fast? It's not magic. It's a programming language called C++. Yes, C++, the secret language behind the world's fastest technologies. From NASA to Microsoft, from Google Chrome to Unreal Engine, C++ is working silently behind the scenes. So, what exactly is C++, and why is it still ruling the tech world after 40 years? Let's find out. C++ was created by Bjarne Stroustrup in the early 1980s. He wanted something powerful, something faster than other languages. So he built C++, an upgraded version of the C language. And why the name C++? Because plus means add one in programming. So C++ means C improved. Cool, right? C++ gives you complete control over the hardware. It lets you manage memory directly. It's super fast. And it's used in systems where performance really matters, like game engines, operating systems, databases, and even robots. So yes, C++ is everywhere. Every time you open Chrome, play Fortnite, or use Windows, you're actually using C++. C++ is a compiled language. That means your code is converted directly into machine language. No middle steps, no delay, just pure speed. It supports multiple coding styles. You can write procedural code, or object-oriented code, or even generic code. C++ gives you full freedom. C++ introduced object-oriented programming, or OOP. It's a way to organize code into objects. Each object has data and actions. That makes big programs easy to manage. Concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism came from here. Without C++, we wouldn't have modern languages like Java or Python. No C++, no modern coding world. Simple as that. C++ is everywhere. In games, in browsers, in operating systems, in AI and finance. Unreal Engine uses C++. Windows is written in C++. Chrome runs on C++. Even drones and self-driving cars use C++. It's truly the backbone of modern tech. You might think, why learn C++ when Python is easier? Here's why. C++ teaches you how computers actually think. You learn memory, logic, and performance. It makes you a real problem solver. And once you know C++, learning any other language becomes easy. Learning C++ is like learning the science behind programming. It doesn't just teach you what to do, it teaches you how things work. Start simple. Learn variables, loops, and conditions. Then move to functions and arrays. Next, explore classes and objects. After that, dive into memory, pointers, and references. And finally, build real projects, small games or apps. You can use online tools like Replit or code blocks. People think C++ is old, but that's wrong. The latest versions, C++ 17, C++ 20, and C++ 23, are more powerful than ever. They add new features, better safety, cleaner syntax, and modern tools. Even AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch use C++ under the hood. C++ isn't dying, it's evolving, faster than ever. Python is easier, but C++ is faster. Java runs on a virtual machine, but C++ runs directly on your hardware. C++ gives you full control, and that's why it's unbeatable in performance. So, what is C++ really? It's not just a language, it's the foundation of technology. It's the engine behind the digital world. Learning C++ makes you a real engineer. It sharpens your logic and gives you superpower over machines. So, are you ready to learn C++? Because once you master it, you'll not just understand code, you'll understand how the entire digital world works. If you liked this video, hit the like button. Comment below. I'm starting my C++ journey today. And don't forget to subscribe to Ruby Parker for more powerful and fun programming stories. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep coding. And remember, code smart, think fast, be limitless.